Let's be honest, every MBA CT aspirant dreams about one college, that's JBIMS. But what most students don't realize is Maharashtra has multiple MBA colleges that can give you amazing placements, powerful alumni networks, and completely different MBA experiences. And depending on your personality, some of these colleges might actually suit you better than JBIMS. So in this video, I am not ranking colleges randomly. I am going to tell you which college is best for what type of student. First, SPJIMR Mumbai. And honestly, this is not just a Maharashtra college. This is a pan-India elite B school located in Mumbai, around 276 seats for its flagship MBA program, and admissions happen mainly through CAT and GMAT. Extremely strong in consulting, product, and finance roles. Average package is amongst the highest in India with consulting and tech roles dominating. SPJN is for students who want elite corporate exposure, serious peer group, and national level brand value. Second college is SIBM Pune. SIBM Pune has a completely different vibe. SIBM feels aspirational. You can get into SIBM through Snap. There are around 180 plus MBA seats, huge campus culture, and very, very strong alumni network. Consistently amongst the top private MBA colleges in India with strong recruiter presence across domain. This is ideal for students who want premium MBA life, networking, and strong campus culture. Now, this third college is probably the most underrated MBA college in India. It's TIS Mumbai. You can get into TIS through CAT, HRM, and LM, their flagship MBA program, and there are around only 60 to 70 students, and it's located in Mumbai. TIS has extremely low fees, exceptional ROI, one of the highest in India, and top HR placements. Latest batches reported somewhere around 28 lakhs per annum average slash median ranges. And the craziest part, some students honestly choose TIS over Blackie IIM for HR. Fourth is IIM Mumbai, earlier known as NETI and now an IIM. And that one change has completely changed its perception. It's strong in operations, analytics, and supply chain. One of the strongest placement ecosystems in operations and consulting roles. If you are someone who is interested in analytics, operations, and tech management, IIM Mumbai becomes extremely powerful. Now we have another ROI monster, which is Sims 3. You get into it through CET. It's located in the heart of Mumbai, very low fees and small batch size compared to many private B schools. Quite a few students target SIMSTRI aggressively because low investment, strong placements, and Mumbai exposure. This is one of the colleges where ROI changes the entire equation. So final thing, guys, don't make the mistake of thinking JVIMS nahi mila to game over. Completely wrong. Maharashtra has elite colleges, ROI kings, HR specialists, operations giants, and private premium campuses. The real question is, which college matches your goals? And comment below, which Maharashtra MBA college would you pick apart from JVIMS? Thank you so much, guys.